Basically, food processing is the any method that used to process the food to make the food fresh into a product. The processing including freezing, smoking, pasteurization, washing, and chopping.
Hi, my name is Nakib. Basically, there are three aspects that will affect the food during food processing. First is physical aspect, where it will be affecting the physical change such as melting, glass transition, and crystallization that occur in food product. Next is chemical aspect, where the chemical occur during the food processing and also food preservation. And lastly is biological aspect, where it involves microorganism and organism. So all of these aspects, it will actually affect the quality, the taste, the texture, and also the structure of the food, and also it will inhibit the growth of the microorganism, and also will extend the shelf life.
Hi, my name is Sharifah. Today I will explain about chemical aspect in fruits and vegetables.
In all vegetable and fresh fruits has chemical change that can cause spoilage and deterioration after harvesting. The main reason is to eliminating any delay during pre-freezing operation. There are several enzymes in vegetables and fruits that can cause loss of color, nutrient and flavor change. It should be inactivated by means of thermal treatment prior to freezing. The blanching is essential method to produce quality of frozen vegetables and fruits since it helps to destroy the microorganism on the surface. Development of rancid oxidative flavor through contact of frozen product with air is another group chemical change take place in frozen product. The problem that can be controlled by exclude the oxygen through proper packaging, and also advisable to remove as much air as possible from packaging to reduce the amount of air in contact with product. That been reported by Schaffer and Manson.
Hi, my name is Arina. I'm going to be explaining about the physical aspect of freezing on fruits and vegetables. Nutrients are retained during freezing. The food texture of fruits and vegetables contain 90% water of total weight. It gives support to the plant structure and also texture. In the process of freezing, water in the cell freezes, expansion occurs, and ice crystals cause the cell wall to rupture. However, it will also cause freezer burn. Freezer burn is a condition in which frozen food has been exposed to air. When food is frozen, water molecules in the food turn into ice crystals. These ice crystals then migrate to the surface of the food, which is why you often see mounds of ice on your frozen foods.
Hello, my name is Nurishwara Binti Amran. I will explain about biological aspect of freezing on fruit and vegetable.
Of organisms are more concerned during thawing rather than during freezing, since microorganisms differ significantly in their sensitivity to freezing. Next, the freezing process does not significantly destroy the microorganisms since that may be present in fruits and vegetables. The blanching process prior to freezing destroys some microorganisms, and there is a gradual decline in the number of microorganisms during freezer storage. However, a sufficient number of survivors are still present that can multiply and cause spoilage of the product during thawing. Fluctuation in storage temperature is one of the main reasons for microbial deterioration of frozen products during storage. Thus, a careful inspection of frozen products is essential to ensure proper freezing storage with constant temperature.
So that's all from us. Thank you for watching.